Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is IGA Excel. On this channel, I share practical Excel skills by building real business solutions using Microsoft Excel. Today I'm going to show you one of those solutions, an Excel-based point-of-sale (POS) system designed to help small businesses manage their daily sales efficiently.
I can't find the receipt, but it's not in the book. Where is the missing transaction?
As you can see, we're opening Microsoft Excel. Once the system loads, we're taken to the Welcome screen. From this page, users can access different modules of the system. Access is controlled through user roles, which means each user only sees the features they're authorized to use. For example, managers and auditors have access to business reports and stock information, while cashiers are limited to processing daily sales through the POS module. Let's log in as an auditor. Here we can access the stock report. This report displays the opening stock, income in stock, products sold, and the closing stock balance. By comparing the opening and closing quantities, managers and auditors can easily monitor stock movement and verify inventory accuracy. Now let's see what happens if we log in as a cashier. I'll enter the cashier's username and password. As you can see, the system displays a message indicating that the cashier is not allowed to access the stock module. Instead, the cashier is directed to the point-of-sale module, where all daily sales transactions are processed. Let's create a new sale. We'll begin by selecting a product. For this example, I'll choose bread, enter a quantity of 24, and then click Add to Receipt. The product is immediately added to the receipt. Let's add another product. I'll select Fanta, adjust the price if necessary, enter the quantity, and add it to the receipt as well. You can continue adding as many products as the customer purchases. Once the receipt is complete, we'll enter the amount paid by the customer. Next, we'll select the cashier who processed the sale. Finally, click Save and Print. Since no printer is connected for this demonstration, I'll simply save the transaction. The system automatically generates a unique receipt number and creates a PDF copy of the receipt. Although this isn't an official tax receipt, many businesses use a system like this alongside Rwanda's EBM system to manage their internal sales records. Let's close the PDF and return to the application. Notice that the system has already prepared the next receipt number, confirming that the previous transaction has been successfully saved. Now let's open the sales report. Here we can see the transaction we just created, including all the products that were sold. At the moment, the payment status is still pending. Let's mark it as paid. We'll choose the payment method, for example, MoMo Pay, and then confirm. Returning to the report, you can now see that the payment has been successfully recorded under the selected payment method. Suppose we need to make changes to an existing receipt. We simply enter the receipt number and click Load. The entire transaction is loaded back into the POS screen, allowing us to edit quantities, prices, or even add additional products before saving the changes. If the customer decides to cancel the purchase completely, we can also cancel the receipt. The system updates the transaction status while maintaining the receipt number for audit purposes. When we return to the sales report, You'll notice that the cancel transaction is clearly marked and excluded from normal sales calculations, ensuring complete traceability without deleting historical records. And that's the demonstration of this Excel-based POS system. I hope this video has shown you how powerful Microsoft Excel can be when combined with automation and VBA. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to build real business solutions using Excel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.